Hey friends, if you encounter the error SMBus controller not recognized on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Intel chipset software installation utility. So we'll have to get it from the internet. Simply search for it either on Google or Bing or any other browser that you like. Click on this option, install the Intel chipset one. Okay, and then you can download the Intel chipset utility. Click on download.exe, accept the terms, and then click on open. Okay, and then click on next, click on accept, click on install. This will do the job for you. But if it doesn't, then try troubleshooting in clean boot state just in case a third party software product is interfering. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.